Hey, Walter Sorrells back with more tips for the knife maker. Today, making a knife with ultra simple tools. Today, we got a funky little design. Could be a skinner, a caping knife, a utility knife for the shop. Is it a good idea? Well, that remains to be seen, but definitely something different. Now, the point of today's video is to show you that you can make a knife with really simple tools. Be warned, a lot of elbow grease involved, but if you're thinking about making a knife for the first time, hey look, you can do it, and this video is proof. By the way, look, I don't mention this that often, but according to my analytics, about half of my regular viewers actually aren't subscribers to the channel. It really helps the channel if you subscribe, costs you nothing. So hit that button and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified about all my new videos. Also, departure from my usual approach, no talky stuff today, just gonna let you go along for the ride while you listen to cheesy ambient synthesizer music. All right, let's go. Hey, let me jump in real quickly to let you know that, as usual, plans for this build with all the dimensions, all the critical information are available to all my Patreon subscribers. You know, I've been making knife making videos on YouTube for well over a decade now at no cost to you. So if you'd like to give back to the channel for all those years of effort and score some plans in the bargain, click the link to Patreon in the cards and descriptions. Thanks, and let's get back to filing. And filing. And filing. And filing. And filing. Now quickly here, the point of this video is no fancy tools. I'm kind of cheating and using fancy tools here for the heat treating process, but fear not, you can send them off to knife making supply places that will heat treat the knife for you. That's the hardening process that makes it, go from something that's only useful as a pry bar to making it into a knife. All right, let's see how that works. Hey guys, as we're wrapping up here, if you like this knife, you can go to my website, tacticsarmory.com, link in the cards and descriptions, and you can pick up the actual knife made on this video. There was only one of them made, and I always tell people that my demo knives, they're made for the show. They're probably not made with quite the same level of fit and finish that I do for a custom knife. So they're priced accordingly. That means they're way cheaper than my signed custom pieces. It's 100% functional though, properly heat treated, all that, and it comes with signed authentication of what it is. Like I said, there's only one of them ever made, so it's a pretty cool little piece of memorabilia. Once it's gone, it's gone. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the build today. If you like the old silent movie type format that I did here today, leave a note in the description. And hey, if you hate it, if you want me talking and explaining everything I'm doing, let me know that too. Always looking for new stuff to amuse my faithful followers. All right, guys, thanks, and keep on making those knives. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe and make sure that you click on that bell so you get notified of all the latest videos. Want to buy a knife from me? Check out my modern blades at tacticsarmory.com. Digging the channel? You can support our video making efforts on Patreon. I've been banging away on these videos for like 10 years, so I hope you'll show some love for all that hard work. Link in the cards and descriptions. Finally, if you're interested in making Japanese swords, check out my full line of Japanese sword videos where I show how to forge Japanese swords as well as how to polish them and how to make fittings, handles, and scabbards. WalterSorrellsBlades.com.